What's up, guys? I'm Nate Barger. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. We're going to be tackling all types of real estate and showing you guys exactly what the decisions that we make to make millions of dollars in any market. So here's a property here. We always talk about the BRRRR strategy, which is buy, renovate, rent, refinance, and repeat. And I'm going to explain to you guys in another video exactly what that is, because I took it for granted that you guys knew, but maybe you don't. This property here we've had for over 10 years. We bought this property for $30,000, $40,000, renovated, maybe put another 30 in it. We're in it for 60, 70, paid it all the way down. I think we owe 6 or 7 grand. And right now it's coming to one of those tipping points. I want you to look around this area here. That is the Cincinnati Zoo right there. So the Cincinnati Zoo is coming through and buying. Actually, I know the buyer. I'm gonna call him and see if he wants to buy this. If not, I'm gonna put it on the market. But why would I sell? I'm a long-term buy and hold guy. That's what we do. I'm gonna tell you why. Because we try to follow the 1 to 1.2% rule. And what that means is that I'm gonna get 1.2% of the value back per month. So let's say this is a $200,000 house right here. I would have to get $2,400 a month in rent for this thing to work. Otherwise, my equity is not working that hard. Now, one of the other things that comes into play is appreciation. So we're gonna go back to the office and we're gonna do a breakdown. But first, we're gonna walk through here and we're gonna show you guys why we are considering selling this. We need to paint this door. Looks like we have a leak there. We got some drywall cracking here. We'll probably put a Nest thermostat in here. I think we put in new carpet in here. So, just a bedroom here. We need some blinds. Closet door needs fixed. Clean this carpet. It's got dog smell in here, so we gotta get rid of that. This here, the kitchen, you know, looks kind of dated, but I think, I don't know, what do you think about this? Make sure this air conditioning is working here. Okay, put it on full. It should. Let's go. So there was a house next door. The zoo bought this and knocked it down. Cool. You still have an air conditioner. You have to check when you're in the hood, man. Someone can grab it. I need that. Got 2 more bedrooms up here. Need to touch up this floor. So we got, you know, we got $1,000, $2,000 to get this ready. Got this floor. Knock this out. I don't know what the heck that is, but you guys probably do. We put a new floor in here. The only thing I don't like about downstairs putting a new floor in is you're putting a fake floor in next to real wood. Just doesn't look great. Survive out of this. We got a hole here. Look at this, guys. So that's something that we'll have to go back after the tenant for. This carpet, probably just put it on the carpet for $1,000. I mean, the carpet's new. So look at this. We got some paint delaminating. That's oil base. See that? So whoever's painting, I have to come and scrape that, clean that, put granite countertops in. Right? Granite countertops, undermount sink. Let's go see if this wall is load bearing here. Look at this wall. If that's not load bearing, so if this is not load bearing, what we'll think about doing, taking this whole wall out, spend $10,000 in this kitchen, put an island in there. See, instead of having it ready to release in 3 days, then it's gonna be a month, month and a half, and I don't have the guys right now. So that's the biggest thing is, it's not the money, it's just the guys. Just